What is up, guys? We are building the bench today. Over in that corner we talked about. Gonna get the ends stained as well. So let's get going. Got the frame of the bench put in. This thing is stout. It's not going anywhere. Got braces across every single cross member. This side ended up being about 9.5 feet long. This one is 8. So we're gonna go ahead and go through and get the plywood put on the top. Actually gonna come and put plywood on the outside corners as well, just to kind of make it look a little better. Then we can go through and start putting these outlet covers back on and move forward. Here we are, the finished project. Once again, 9.5 foot this way, 8 coming this way, 3/4 inch plywood on the top. Came back and put some ends on it. Then what I'm actually going to do, we're going to come along and actually put this on the top to cover it, cover the front. I'm probably going to do a little bit of a backsplash with that same material. Come through, stain this just to keep it from getting, you know, things spilled on it and that kind of thing, make it look a little better. In other news, got a little more sheetrock. Got some taping done up there. And then we've got some more sheets hung on this wall. So it's starting to come together. So we have made some progress. That bench built, the ends put on it, got them stained, got the compressor, got a few things moved around. Got a cabinet for oil, things like that. Got, like I said, some more sheetrock up. Got a shelf. Now we just need to come back and put our top on. And then we can fully start setting this place up. Here we are, final product. Thing looks awesome. Next up, start putting some wall art up, starting with this guy.